Hello everyone, it's Patty. Happy Thursday, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous November sub box from the Planner Society. I am so excited to unbox this because I've seen the sneak peeks and it's absolutely stunning. And what I'll be sharing is the main sub box, then the box Sticker Society add-on, the Sticker Society add-on, as well as the Washi add-on. So let me take everything out of the packaging and I will be right back. And I'm back, guys, and the first thing that I always like to start with is the gorgeous papers that are included. We get so many papers in the monthly subscription box. Let me start with the regular cardstock papers, for which we get 6, and they're double-sided, so you get 2 of each design. So let's look at one design at a time. The first one is this gorgeous floral, kind of like, I don't know, abstract, and it has this beautiful little stars that are foiled in silver all over the design. I love it. And on the other side, there are these constellations on a very dark blue, kind of purplish color with again this foiling, silver foiling on it. It's just stunning. I love this so much. And then more of the constellation design. This time is a white with the black pattern. And then on the reverse side, you get this gorgeous purples that are kind of like Aurora Borealis to me, with the beautiful stars again in the silver foiling. I just love this one. Actually, this paper may be one of my favorite ones. Then we get a black one with a white pattern with silver foiling. And on the reverse side, we have this kind of very palish teal color with flowers with the silver stars. And I think it's such an like a unique combination, but I would have never thought of it. So I love how Christy is just like, she has such an eye for matching patterns, and this just gorgeous because it just pulls together, even though you wouldn't think of it, which is why she is such a creative genius. And then we get also the what are these called? Specialty papers. And for specialty papers this month, we actually get not one but 2 vellums. The first vellum is basically the same pattern that you get in the regular cardstock for the abstract floral background, and that has the silver foiling stars. And then we get the white paper background, basically a replica of the white paper. However, it's more in a greenish color, as you can tell. It's not perfectly white. And it has the black foiling. And then we get 2 acetates. Now these are going to reflect like crazy, but this one actually is my favorite. I'm just going to put it over here. It has all the constellations on it, silver foiling, stunning. And then this one too, it's got the moon, it's got the stars, the planets, so beautiful. I can't wait to use this, and I'm definitely going to try and do a setup for you guys. And then we have one of these specialty papers again, which are with this border, which is lace, paper lace, and it's in black, and it has like a satin finish to it, and you can use this for your dashboards, etc. Now let's look at the other stuff that gets included with the main sub box. We're still talking about the main sub box. First of all, these are gorgeous. So these are not one but 2 sheets of, actually let me put them on a different background, guys, so you can kind of see them better. Actually, you can't see them better, but I tried. So these are 2 sheets of stickers, and they are silver foiled. On one sheet you can see there's crystals, there's flowers, there's the moon, there's the star. And on the other sheet we have affirmations like explore the unseen, seeking the stars. I love these. These are perfect for cards. These are perfect for, just your dashboard, your little page markers, whatever you want. And I just love that they are in this gorgeous kind of foiling, silver foiling. And then this one, I had to pull it out right away because as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh my God, this is genius. Because I love Christy's edgers. They're glitter edgers, and she has them in all colors. I use them in all my setups because they add so much to the page without adding too much bulk. You can use them as a border. You're on the top and the bottom. And this month she has included them in 2 colors with the star and the moon pattern, which so matches the paper. So I think that is genius. And then she also gives it to us in the same color, but with the different sizes, because they come in kind of like a mini and a regular size. Actually, this is more of a medium. They also come in a larger size, which I love. And then of course you also get the little mini bows, if I can find them. Here we go. So you can use these. They're also glitter, and they can be used as little page markers, or if you want to use them when you're creating your there we go. You can use them in with or in addition or instead of these, I can't remember the name of it, guys. What are these called? I'm gonna leave it in, but you know what they are. It'll come to me in a minute. But I don't actually use these because I just don't use dividers in I only have 3 sections in my planner, but I always use this little stickers here because I like to use them in my planner to add a little touch somewhere, and you can also use them anywhere else. But tabs, that's the word. See, it always comes to me later. I have a little delay response, but yeah, these are tabs. They're sticker tabs. So all you do is you remove them from the page, you can fold them over and you attach them to your page, and then you can use the little tab little list here. You can use lists, there's months, there's today, etc. So if you like to divide your planner using tabs, these are great. And again, if you don't want to use these, you can also use these instead, and you can use these on top of I like to have them on top actually of my planner, so they kind of peek out, and I think it's super cute. And then another one of my favorite products, which are the little pockets, the adhesive pockets. They come in 2 sizes, and this is my favorite pattern. Then we have also this gorgeous pattern. Actually, this pattern has the stars, the constellation, and silver foiling on it. Then we have a smaller one with this beautiful pattern again, and this one is my favorite, the little purple background. And then we get sticky notes, and no, we don't only get one, we get actually 2. Let me flip it over with a beautiful bow. These are perfect for gifting if you do not, stocking stuffer, if you don't want to use it, if you don't use sticky notes. I use them all the time. And then we get a full-size one with this little scene of crystals and candles, etc. And on this side we have a book with the candles, and the crystal is just gorgeous. I love it. And then we get more accessories. So we're not only getting 1, but actually we're gonna get 2 accessories for your pens. So you're gonna get the pen pouch, which is in this platter material, and that can hold your pens, and it has the blue background with the constellation. You can take this on the go. If you only have a pen, you can include the pen. That is included in the subscription box. It's a beautiful pen. It's got a really nice, it's very easy to hold it. I don't like pens that are kind of like have to struggle when I'm writing because they're too small on my hand. And this is gorgeous. Got the constellation. It's got that same floral background on the bottom, and you can use it again. You can keep it in the little pen pouch, or you can carry it around using this little this pencil case. And it could be a pencil case, or it could be a makeup case, whatever you want. You want to put your washi tape in here, or little supplies. The options are endless. You can use it for so many purposes. Again, I love using these pouches. It's just one of my favorite things, and I love the little bow on the top. It's adorable, super cute. Now, next thing up is charms, and we're getting not 1 but 2. So let me show you the first one. The first one is one that you will put probably on top of your planner, just like so, and it has this cute little beads, and also it has a little moon with a druzy in the shape, it's like a druzy. I don't know if it's real druzy, but it looks like a druzy. And then this one instead you will put on the side, or you can attach it there. Actually, you can put it on the side of your planner. It has the same charms, but it has a little star, which is also made out of this druzy material. I'm not sure it's real druzy. I actually think it's just a look-alike, you know, because clearly if it was real druzy, the cost of the box will skyrocket. And then you also get a charm, a bow charm that you can put in front of your planner or on the side of your planner with the same little beads and the moon druzy. Now, I mean, this is already so much, guys, and I'm not even, you know, I guess kind of halfway. Then we get the page marker toppers. Now, these are something that I use all the time to make little page markers, and I love that they come in a silver foiling and then in the 3 floral patterns. Then we get stickers. We're getting 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of stickers. So we're getting some deco, which is super cute. I love the crystals. I love the moon, the constellation. Then we're getting some little mini boxes, more crystals, and then some little words, you know, affirmations that you can use in your planner, and then some little washi, you know, sticker washi. So you can just remove it, use it about the bottom of your page. And then next thing up is something that's, I mean, we're getting so much of it, die cuts. And die cuts I love because die cuts, you can use them as an accessory in your page, or you can use them to make little, you know, as a centerpiece of, let's put it, of your dashboard. And we're getting so many of them. It says make your own magic, sweet dreams, moon phase. Oh, I love this one, moon phases. And it's find your voice. And then we have 3 with the girls in different hair colors and skin tones. And it's the girl in her room. She's taking a selfie and she's got this beautiful pink rug, all her clothes. I love it. It's so cute. And then we're getting the die cuts. So the die cuts is something you can just add. I'm just going to go through them individually just to show you, but there are so many. We're getting a lot of these constellations for the different signs. I actually don't know how to recognize them. I'm pretty bad with the constellations, but you can look them up. And then I love this. And then the different moon phases and more constellations and a little moon druzy, and then more crystals and a full moon. And today is actually a full moon, so this is very on point. And then we have 2 crystals like this, and then another moon druzy, and then more. And I'll just show them like this, guys, because otherwise it's gonna take forever. But I love all these little die cuts. Now, what is next up is instead the add-ons. Oh, actually, before I start with the add-ons, I forgot the washi tape. You also get 1 roll of washi tape with your sub box, and it's a 15 millimeter. And the background, the color, I mean the pattern, is the one from that floral kind of pattern that I was showing you earlier, kind of an abstract with silver foiling of all the stars, and it's super pretty and it goes with everything. Now, if you want more washi because you know you're a washi addict like I am, you can get the washi add-on. So the washi add-on is a separate purchase, but it ships for free with your sub box, and you're getting 4 additional washi tapes. So you're getting a 20 millimeter that is, you can tell it's got this constellation background. You're getting another 15 millimeter with that kind of like tealish gray background with silver stars. Then we're getting, I think there's a 7 millimeter, which is the purple background with the stars, and then a 5 millimeter that has just a black background with little teeny tiny stars. So if you didn't combine it, like if you see them together, they're beautifully matched. And so you can make beautiful dashboards. I make a lot of washi dashboards because they're just an easy way to decorate your planner. Now, if you love to decorate your planners with stickers, then you can subscribe to the Box Sticker Society. And the Box Sticker Society is basically is a subscription, then you get 4 separate sheets of stickers. As always, they come already with an indent there, so they're ready to store if you want to just fold them up and put them in your planner. And on one sheet, you're getting 8 full boxes plus 2 checklists and 2 little bows. And I just love these full boxes. They are just beautiful. It says again, explore the unseen, seeking the stars. So these are kind of what you get in your little stickers. I just love the colors. And then we're getting a box when we're getting some headers. So we're getting days of the week. We're getting little again headers with little bows, little not checklists. So we're getting quarter boxes. We're getting some trackers. We're getting some icons, quarter boxes. Then we're getting again little kind of checklist. These are full boxes, but you can use them as checklists since they are already in the shape of clipboards, and they are silver foil, as you can tell. And then we're getting more checklists, little hearts. And then on the last sheets, we're getting the half boxes and the quarter boxes, and then some washi strips on the top. So this, again, if you use a lot of stickers, this is perfect for you. And again, it's a separate purchase, but it ships together with your main sub box for free. And then there is the last add-on, which is the Sticker Society add-on. Now, this is something I always say if you like to decorate, but you don't go crazy. So this is 5 sheets, and these are more like functional stickers. So you have a lot of headers, little flags, little hearts, days of the week, quarter boxes, little icons, more days of the week, and again, little washi strips, little flags. And again, the last one, just checklist, days of the week, and more checklists in the shape of bows, which I love. And so this is it, guys. So this is all that is included in all the items. I don't know how I'm gonna bring everything back in this because this is so much. But if you have not subscribed, I will link below the link to Christy's website so that you can subscribe to the sub box. And also Christy will have any extras that she has of the subscription box available on the website. So if you wanna check that out, you can do so. And if you have any questions, you can reach me on Instagram at PlanningFancy, or you can leave a message below. However, it's probably easier if you just message me, as I always reply to all answers. And as you can tell, there's so much stuff here that I cannot fit it, but I can make it look neat. But it is a lot, and I can't wait to play with this. It's an amazing box, and I hope you will love it too, and have a wonderful rest of your week.